Why, hello there. It's been such a busy day. I forgot to pick up the camera. Today is Rob's and Destiny's birthday, like their actual birthday, August 23rd. And mine is August 28th, but I don't make a big deal out of my birthday. But I'm here prepping for dinner because I'm not doing a birthday party. His mom is having something tomorrow. That's just what she's doing. I'm doing something totally different. I'm making curry chicken, fricassee chicken. I'm also baking cupcakes. I went and I got chicken. I usually use the skinless, boneless chicken thighs, but they were like $8 for the, the large pack. And I was like, no, when the other one, which has the skin and the bone, was like $4. Like, yeah, let's get that. So I had to take the skin off 2 packs, take the bones out, and cut them up. So this is what the one for fricassee looked like, and then for curry, I made it a little smaller. So that's what I'm getting ready to cook up. It's now 12:28. I gotta leave here at 1:45 to pick up Destiny and Jackson because they get out at 2, and then the twins, of course, they have a totally different schedule, and I also have to grab them. So let's get that going. Roasted chicken is done, and rice is cooking, and I spilled rice all over my floor. Now I have to clean that up. The birthday girl is home from school. Mommy! Hey! Happy birthday. How old are you?
11.
You're 11?
Yes.
Hard to believe. I just brought you home from the hospital the other day, and now you're 11. I don't know how that works. I really don't. And then we have the birthday boy over there. Hey, birthday boy.
Hey.
How old are you?
Too old.
Too old? I just brought you home. Wait a minute, you're not my child.
I don't think you brought me home.
I didn't. You sure? I'm having amnesia right now because I feel like I raised you. I reared you, Rob.
You reared me?
I reared you. I rear you. I reared you. Okay, whatever. You're not my child. Hey, baby. What's the matter? Right, Maddie? Did you fall and ask yourself if you were okay? Yes? So hyper. Yeah. Whose birthday is it? Destiny and who? And Daddy? Okay. Did you tell them happy birthday? Did you tell them happy birthday? Yes? I didn't see you. I didn't see you say happy birthday. Go tell them happy birthday. Go.
Thank you.
All right, that's enough. Okay, next one. Who else's birthday is it? Destiny. Go tell Destiny happy birthday. Excuse me, Jordan.
Thank
You.
Yes. I'm it? Okay. All right. Why? Be gentle, okay? Gentle. Gentle, gentle. You can't. Poor Jimmy, running away.
No.
Watch out, boy. Okay, Jimmy getting ready to leave. He's getting ready to leave. Watch the dog. No? It's not your dog. It's not your puppy. It's grandma's puppy. You gotta give him back. Oh yes, please. Can we please get out of the house, please?
Get out. For your grandma's.
I need water. I need my. Ooh, what is that? What is that? Oh, I gotta clean the fridge. Now I'll find something. Here, bring your grandmother. Wednesday? Okay. The food.
Maggots.
Oh my gosh! Really, Madison? Just go.
It's got through.
Just go. Everybody go. Okay. Go. Listen, you're stepping in the juice. Go.
Excuse me, did you?
OMG. It's always something with kids. I got my water. Hope you got yours too. Because the flies will take a set on my floor if I don't clean this up properly. Ooh, what is that smell? Oh, guys. Rob said I hit the car. I got my water. You waiting to get in the car? You're so precious. Okay. No, Daddy just moving the car so that we can get out because I didn't park it properly. What's the matter? What's the matter? What? Who's Jordan? This one? What did you say? What did you say?
I said Jackson can't hold the thing, the cake because he's on the tablet.
What are you crying for? That's no reason to cry. That is no reason whatsoever to cry. So you need to wipe your face. Wipe your face. Look at me. Destiny, hold your head back. Wipe your face and use your words. Okay? What you say is, I don't appreciate you saying that to me, okay? Use your words. Alright? Tell him, I don't appreciate you saying that to me. Did you get that? He doesn't like it, so stop it.
Hey, get over here. Get back here. Get.
There go Destiny balloons for her birthday. They're gone. Bye.
That's turn that off.
Destiny, go this side, baby.
Come on this side.
You said to get your glasses.
Yeah, go get my fucking glasses.
Okay.
Auntie.
Jason,
Here, baby.
let it.
Watch out, girl.
I say happy birthday for you, sister.
Hey guys, what's up? I know. Marcelo birthday and Destiny birthday and everybody birthday. My birthday is tomorrow the 28th. Didn't get a chance to edit the vlog and get it up to you guys that day. I usually put it up that day, but just a lot of stuff just been going on, and yeah, just birthday party ended rough. Like when I tell you rough, it ended really bad. And yeah, I didn't think my marriage would survive that day, or it's just sometimes you just have to take things one day at a time and, you know, say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing? What are you eating? Ew. But first day of back to school, first week of back to school went well. First week of lunch videos went really well. The video is doing great. I love you. The cheesecake turned out amazing. I didn't even get to show it to you guys. It's just a lot of stuff going on, and I wish I could just sit down and talk to you guys, but I realized that there's a lot of people watching me that are, you know, just mainly watching me for information in regards to my neighborhood. So I don't really like to put too much out there about myself anymore, because I know people are just, you know, talking, you know, and I don't want to give anybody anything to talk about. So, you know, let's just keep it positive. You know, if you pray for us, and send a lot of positive things this way, because your girl needs it. But other than that, I just stay to myself. Yeah, stay to myself and just do me. Anyways, I just wanted to hop on here in this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Thumbnail. Say bye. Bye.